this? Are you gonna say any of that? No, it's my money, and you can't have it. It's my money. I think that I should be like on the other island now. Ow. Why'd you do that? Because I wanted to. Greetings and hi. Hey, you're back! And you're skinny! Yeah, I got some surgery or whatever. Oh, hey, cooking! Thank you. I didn't hear about your decision because I really want to join. And I had to join. I have to. I just had to. No, you're not gonna be in next challenge because the new contestant's gonna be just cabbage and some pasta or whatever. I really freaking know what that is. This really seems unnecessary. But I want to get down my face and stuff. This is a freaking outrage. I was freaking confirmed for season freaking 2. And he wasn't, but I don't freaking care about that. Go away, go away. I was talking first, so I gotta go blow up now. Lizzie! What about me? You said I could get up. So yeah, you two. The first challenge is to like jump in that hole over there. Okay. That happened. I'm gonna die! You should die. Anyways, no contestants, just sock that smells like cheese. This is inanimate insanity. 5. Yeah, 5. He has no idea what he's talking about, does he? Nope.